Good morning, everybody. I am back on trail. Back on the trail. After taking a couple days off. It's breezy today, but at least it's going to be dry and the temps are going to warm up. It's going to be super nice. And I just got dropped off back at the Pigeon Forge Bridge. And so now I am making my way back into the woods. Right now I'm right near the I-40. And so I got to figure it out. So Knoxville, Asheville. Here, which way I go. Okay, so I'm at the Knoxville-Asheville sign. You see the blazes underneath the blue arrows. Okay? If you're not sure where to go, you want to go towards Knoxville, and you'll see this next post right up here. Has white blaze on it. Spray painted white, but we'll take it. And there are tons of white blazes all along these pillars to make sure that you go the right way and don't get on the on the wrong. But yeah, you can see white blaze, white blaze, white blaze. I mean, they've really done a good job to make sure that you stay on the right path at this section. I believe like once I go under here, which I mean, look at how crazy this is with the rock. It's an overpass now. It must have been like a small, like, I don't know if you want to call it a mountain, but it must have cleared this out. Sorry for the wind. It's gonna be windy today. It is what it is. And yep. White blaze, white blaze, white blaze. Heading straight, I can see another one. I can see another one way up there too. And then I believe there's a fun little staircase that we get to walk up this morning. Woo! Getting the blood pumping early. Okay, putting the I-40 behind us. Yeah, it's probably one of the, considering like there's so many different ways you could go. This is one of the best marked sections on the AT. I mean, there's just markers everywhere. And yeah, we're gonna head up this now after we cross the river that's flowing along it. So let me put this away so I don't slip and fall. So I opted not to take my shoes off. It's early. My feet will dry. If my feet are inflamed at all, sure they're not after a little cold soak. There we are. Let's go. I certainly think that crossing, there's a bus, little shuttle bus coming. Not sure what that is. It's coming down from Standing Bear. I guess it's like how, I don't know what that is. Somebody's gonna know. He's like a hiker shuttle or whatever. We're going back up. And yeah, but it seems like that little crossing right there could have warranted a little footbridge. Well, the range yesterday, I didn't even go the way that I was supposed to go because it was really hard to see where the bottom was. So wherever I could see the bottom is where I went. But yeah, we are climbing today. I have 4.6 miles, a couple thousand feet in elevation gain to get to Snowbird Peak. And once I get there, then I'll just have a few miles down into the shelter. There's a lot of traffic coming behind me from Standing Bear this morning. But yeah, it's a climb, you know, whatever. It's gonna take me 4 or 5 hours. It's gonna take it slow. And just keep going after being off for 2 days. So easy to just strain or pull a muscle when you're just on a straight up or down, especially after chilling for 2 days. But yeah, we're gonna go to the top of a beautiful snowbird mountain today on a gorgeous day. So the view should be amazing. Just thought I would show you my beautiful lunch spot that I took today. I'm about 2.5 miles before I hit Snowbird Peak, but yeah, isn't that pretty sight and sound? Look at those little things. I know somebody knows what they're called. Here I am, I don't know, not far at all from the peak, and it is little sleet balls or tiny little hail balls on me. So it'll be really nice when I get to the top. I mean, it's coming. Like, I can see sky on the other side of the peak, but it's like, really? You gotta like sleet or hail or whatever. It's actually, though, as long as it's not painful size, it's better than rain, because those little sleet hail balls, hear it? You can see it now. See it? Yep. But at least they bounce off. Holy mackerel. Let me turn you around and show you. Look. Yep. There they are. It just comes and goes a few seconds at a time. I haven't even put my rain gear on, because I think once I get over the top of this, it'll probably stop as I start to go down. And as long as it's not rain, I should be okay with really not anything getting wet, because it's just bouncing off. But it's pretty up here. It's pretty. But it's a chilly, it's a breezy, and it's a whatever, sleety. Really? Oh my. What are you gonna do? It's crazy. Look at like, and then it'll stop. All right, in a minute, I'm gonna go that way. But of course, for now, we have to go up and look at this little crazy thing. That's why there's a road almost all the way up here. Wow. Holy mackerel. It's wild up here. Traffic control. Alright, I think I'm gonna take my pack off down there and put my cover on and my raincoat. But yeah. Okay, now that I've added my proper attire for the current conditions of whatever this is, haily sleet. We'll call it a haily sleet. Can't you see that plane? But I just had an observation because I stopped a little bit down from that traffic control tower thingy. And you probably don't want to pee or do a number 2 or change your clothes there, because I'm sure there's cameras everywhere, and anything you do in that vicinity might be captured on film. Just one of those weird random thoughts that I have. Yeah, when I'm walking out here, can't see that plane, it's in the clouds. Yeah, there's definitely military stuff around here, because I was coming up over a ridge and 2 helicopters came up over the bridge. Pretty wild. But yes, I'm hoping either when I get down off of this, I'm hoping it's not raining, because actually the sleet and the hail is better, bounces off as opposed to just absorbing. But we'll wait and see. But yeah, right now, this is my current situation. It's so weird because it's been like blurring in and out even when I take it off action mode. I don't know if it's having trouble focusing with the dim, the cloudy. But yeah, this is really pretty. I bet when all this like blooms, everything along the edge, I bet this is just beautiful looking. But for now, we have the season before spring. Still see the tower back there behind me. I still can't believe that I just walked past that, because I have seen that in so many videos. I didn't even know that was here at this part. I don't know where I thought it was. But yeah, even looking behind me, it looks cool. You don't get that same view. But then I'm coming over here and I'm just like, oh wow. I mean, you know, sometimes you just don't even like know. Look, there's a little fire pit. So somebody's camped up here, and you can see it's cloudy, some of the taller clouds, but how beautiful is this right here? Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful right now, even in the cloudy and sleety conditions. It's just amazing. Can you imagine sleeping right there and waking up to the sun rising, the sun setting? I mean, you're not going to see any of that today up here, but on a good day, it's just amazing right here. So here's home for tonight. Groundhog Creek Shelter is where I'm going. These are the, I guess, tent sites. I always think it's funny when they say bears are in the area, because we're in the woods. But I'm not very sure. This is supposed to be a tent site, and I thought the shelter's back this way. but that sign didn't say. Oh, so this is strange. This is really confusing. So, I mean, if you're gonna, so I think, so I'm guessing this is where the tents are. And then I'm wondering if I still gotta walk a little bit more on the AT to get to the shelter. Oh, there's another sign up here. Yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful sign. But it doesn't tell me, it doesn't say anything about the shelter that I'm going to. All right, well, let's walk this way. So Groundhog Creek, there's another sign up here. Davenport Gap, that is a tent area site. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stay in the shelter, but I generally like to tent somewhere near the shelter. Oh yeah, see, I wish that sign, because somebody else, I mean not me, I walked a little bit back, but somebody else might walk back thinking that the road to the, just because of the way that it looks on far out, it looks like it's behind the tent sites. Oh, let's see. Yeah, see? So now it says it. Groundhog Creek Shelter is back this way, point 2, and then the AT, there's the blaze. Okay. I mean, the signs are beautiful, though. I just needed a little bit more information at the last one, because I wasn't sure if I was supposed to keep going or not. But, all right. Let's head home, I say, for the night. It's only 3-something, but it's my first day back. So I'm on the hunt to get my water for the evening here at Groundhog Creek Shelter. Look how nice that camping area is. Fit a good number of tents there. We have a small tramway. But supposedly this water source is really pretty. So I just thought I would, that's what I heard through the grapevine. So I'm going to take you along. Ooh, there's a little cardinal just flew across the trail. Take you along down to the water source. I have opted to stay in the shelter tonight. Just due because it's going to rain overnight, and I don't want to have to pack up a wet tent in the morning. Yeah, the rhododendrons, man, they love it. Look at how beautiful this is. It's like a canopy spot. Wow, yeah, this is a pretty water source. And I'm going slow down here because I always have a trekking pole, but I have all my water bottles and everything else, and I'm in my camp shoes. But wow, yeah, look, this is pretty nice. Oh yeah, that's where I'm getting my water, right from the spigot. Yippers. Okay, this is probably the most interesting privy. That's it. It's just a square. Here's the door. Like, you almost have to like back up, and then when you're in here, I guess the whole camp is gonna see the back of your head. I mean, it's got a little lock, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing I'm small. But if you were bigger, I don't know.